Parabolas 2, level 1. Graph -1 over 24 times x plus 12 all squared plus 4. The vertex, this is our x minus h. 12 is negative h, so negative 12 is our h. Negative 12 is our h, and our k is 4. If we go to negative 12, 4, that's the vertex. So you click down there, and it draws a parabola for you. Then we want to figure out where to put this point. I want to find a nice point that goes through. So I'm going to plug in this formula up here, is equal to -1 over 24 times the bracket, which is the x value plus the 12. That will give us -12 plus 12 is 0, squared is 0, times 1/24 is 0, plus 4. And that gives us 4. Then I'm going to just check out, well, what happens when we go through -11 or -10 or -9? The easiest thing to do is just to say is equal to that value plus 1. And I'm just going to fill that down, Command D. And these are all the different values I'm going to check. So then I'm going to take this formula and fill it down. And then it gives me all of these values. I'm looking for integer values. I don't have any. We got all the way down to -6 and nothing was happening. I'm going to change this to -7 and then keep going. How about 0? 0, -2. There's a nice integer solution. I'm going to drag this and notice the A is negative, so it is opening down. And we're going through 0, -2 like that. Our parabola looks like this. Then we press answer to see if we're right. It's a matter of finding the vertex and then using trial and error to find another point that we can graph. All right, the vertex here is -8, -4, -8, -4. It's opening downwards, -8, -4, and it's opening downwards. So I'm going to find a point that this goes through. X is -8. The y value should be -4. Put in equals -8 over 9, open bracket. It's multiplying the bracket. The x value is -8 plus the 8, all squared, minus 4. That gives us -4 as we expected. I'm just going to go in the positive direction. I'm going to be adding 1 to the -8. You could also go in the negative direction. That plus 1, and then we fill that down. Then I'm going to take this and fill it down. Here we have a nice integer solution at -5, -12. When the x is -5, the y is -12. And there's our parabola. And then we press answer to see if we're right. Let's do one more. The vertex is +2, -6, +2, -6. It's opening upwards. When the x value is 2, the y value should be -6, is equal to 11 over 81 times the x, take away 2, close the bracket, squared, minus 6. I'm going to subtract 1 off of the 2 is equal to that minus 1, and then fill that down. Then I'm going to fill down this equation and see if we have any. We don't have any up until -4, so I'm going to change the 2 to a -5 and continue to search. And when we get to -7, we have a +5. -7, +5, this is what our parabola looks like. Press answer to see if we're right. All right, that's it for level 1. Have a good day.